at Joe Schmo's Automotive, we're passing the savings on to you. Now, a lot of shops are going to tell you that you're going to need a specialist to work on your vehicle, and they charge high rates. Not here. There's no such thing as a specialist. Every car is a car. Right here we have a Saab. Now, the air conditioning was not working properly, so we went through, we replaced the compressor, and now this customer is going to be very comfortable this summer, no cooling issues, and they'll be happy and comfortable in their car. And guess what? We did it for a fifth of the price of the specialist. You know, the thing about the Saab, it's just, they have like a safety feature. Just cut. These are notorious for this. It's just the oil has to cycle through it. It's a normal sound. Grab a fire extinguisher.
Alright, action.
How did I start this? I already did.
Here at Joe Schmo's Automotive.
What
Oh,
was
it's
my
perfect.
selling point?
Cheap.
Yeah. Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Here at Joe Schmo's Automotive, no problems. Everything's good to go. Yeah, Aurelio. You were supposed to do it while I was talking. Piece of cake. Now right here, this is a sub. This is about as special as it gets. Alright, we're gonna start over. Shut the smoke off.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
I told him once I get on a roll, just start doing it. Alright. Now this customer's gonna be real happy, cooling off with a nice AC this summer. Me. He's a battery too. That's not part of the video. It's supposed to start out. That is funny though, but fucking damn it. I'm gonna have to do that. Well, yeah, that does suck. Damn it.
That was a good intro too.
Dude, I know. I'm not gonna be able to do that again.
Oh man, that was classic.
The name of the video should be "Why You Do Not Bring Your Saab to Oceanside Motorsports." At Oceanside Motorsports, we like to express the importance of using a.
We're good.
Okay. How did I want to start? And then people like, you should actually do that. People are like, I saw you like, I screwed up a Saab. We're like, no, that was a joke. Don't bring Saab. It was literally, we made an advertisement against ourselves. Don't bring Saabs. And then the customer sees it and he's all, dude, I love my Saab. All right, hang on. But seriously, you know this wasn't supposed to happen, right?
Yeah.
Okay.